Oh, absolutely. Oh, man.
That last 3 minutes of the first half and that second half, that was a hell of a performance. I am so happy with that performance that you guys put in the second half and the last 3 minutes. Told you now, son. That's how we can play. This is a good lesson. Don't come out flat, guys. Don't come out flat. This next team, they're going to be hungry for us too. Enjoy this one, guys. Enjoy it a lot.
Yeah.
We cannot come out flat against that team. So you guys figure out what happened in the first quarter and a half today. Get rid of it. Get rid of it because we're a good football team and we play up to our potential. I'll tell you that much. Good football team.
That was a state tournament team. They've been there. It's our turn now, guys. The way you guys are playing, I like the way you're playing. Now, we can't come out flat. Again, we can learn a lesson. I like when we can win and learn from it, guys. I love that. I love learning and winning. Okay?